welcome to the Haunted Forest, a place where time feels suspended and the unknown whispers in every shadow. Today we will explore the sounds of this enchanting and perhaps slightly unsettling dimension. Close your eyes, take a deep breath. Let every sound seep into your consciousness and guide you deeper into this sensory journey. The wind, the rustling leaves, the sounds of unseen creatures, every detail was captured to transport you to this world. Sit comfortably but be ready for the unexpected. Can you hear that? Those footsteps. Are they yours or another presence walking beside you? Here, every sound has a story and every story, a secret. Don't be afraid. You are safe. The forest may seem dark, but it is alive. Listen to how it breathes around you. Now, let the melody of the forest take you into the unknown. Remember, what you hear here is a bridge between two worlds, ours and the magical. Did you enjoy this journey into the unknown? Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with someone who loves sound adventures. Subscribe to the channel for more immersive experiences like this. Let us know in the comments which sound surprised you the most today, or did you hear something we didn't capture?
Calls like distant stars, leading me to places far. Unseen creatures sing their tunes, hidden under midnight moon. Mysteries in every sound, in this magic I am found. Rustling tales of ancient lore, echoes of what came before. Nature's symphony at play, in this melody Every sound is a lullaby, guiding me through the sky. Unseen creatures sing their tunes, hidden under midnight moon. Mysteries in every sound, in this magic I am found. Rustling tales of ancient lore, echoes of what came before. Nature's symphony at play, in this melody I sway. Close your eyes and feel the breeze, hear the whispering of the trees. Every sound is a lullaby, guiding me through the sky, guiding me through the sky.